Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bunyamin bin Muhammad Yussof, and today I will representing my team and will be presenting about our project, which is removal of macro and micro waste using waterboard collector.
In the fourth industrial revolution era, vital income of most countries comes from factories such as oil companies, electronic industries, dye factories, paper industries, and etc. However, these industries are desperate to gain profit and has diverted their focus and interest to the environmental care. Thus, brings catastrophic effects such as uncontrollable waste disposal. This irresponsible action will lead to breeding of pathogens, viruses, and bacteria that further initiate global pandemic. Islam also instructs in Surah Ar-Rum verse 41 where humans will suffer from their irresponsible activities if no actions are taken. Therefore, environmentalists and green chemists are expected to develop and innovate various treatments to combat this problem. Our project focuses on the absorption and removal of waste such as macro and micro garbage, oils, pesticides, polyaromatic hydrocarbons, heavy metals, and etc. in rivers using our boat waste collector. This boat is also generated by chemical energy and operated by the latest version of Arduino Uno R3 sensor with Arduino Droid-Arduino/ESP8266 IDE programmer. For the waste collector, we use a conveyor belt covered with polyvinyl alcohol PVA nanofiber film, and this is the first project that utilized PVA nanofiber membrane to absorb and remove organic pollutants and heavy metals. The economical sensor and eco-friendliness of solar energy of this boat would help to preserve and protect our environment, thus secures optimal health for all living things.
Our problem statement. First of all, uncontrollable waste disposal. Secondly, the breeding of pathogens, viruses, and bacteria that further initiate global pandemic. Lastly, humans will suffer from the irresponsible activity if no action taken.
Our methodology. We are using the boat which is auto-generated, and we attach a sensor under the boat conveyor to detect and collect the garbage present in the small and big lakes. With the help of this conveyor, we can collect the garbage like plastic bags, plastic bottles, beverage cans, food wrappers, paper bags, straws, marine debris, etc. We can use this pedal-operated boat beside the slum areas where we can find lakes, rivers, or dams, and also because of which the slum area uses water for drinking purposes, due to which their health issue will not get affected. In this methodology also, the source of fuel like diesel and petrol can be saved. The components of our river water cleaning machine consist of the Arduino Uno R3, the Arduino sensor, Arduino servo, a solar panel, a Blue Control Android app, a DC motor, and a conveyor belt.
Result and discussion. On calculating and experimenting, the results are very satisfactory. On the basis of this result, we can conclude that it is an innovative method of minimizing manual stress and thus very much reliably stabilizing in the river. The project carried out by us made an impressive task in the environmental purpose and it very useful for the small scale work. Although the system able to collect the garbage from the lake with human intervention. Component of river water cleaning machine. We can see at figure 1 the boat design. This is our boat prototype. And The second figure, which is material. This is material that we use to build the boat.
Our conclusion. Our project focused on modeling, design, and control of pedal-operated boat, emphasizing on lightweight and portable appliances, which is an innovative method of minimizing manual stress and thus stabilizing the collection of garbage in the boat. Our project made an impressive task of preserving and protecting our environment from harmful waste. This is important as to ensure that we provide a sustainable world for the next generation.
During November 2020, we have represented our research at iJuriCon 2020, organized by University Science Islam Malaysia USIM. We have been awarded the most promising young presenter at the end of the conference. Now, we are going to upgrade our invention. In future, we are going to apply copyright from my IPO for this project.
Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And thank you.